Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome back to our science class. Hope you all are fine. For the past classes, we studied about lesson 1 and 2, right? Nutrition in plants and nutrition in animals. Okay. Now we are going to study unit 2, materials. That is the lesson 3, fiber to fabric. Okay. Let me tell you a small story about that. Listen. See, a Chinese emperor had to take a tea in the garden. The emperor expressed concern over the number of mulberry trees in the garden getting affected by some strange pest. When the empress observed the tree carefully, she noticed some white caterpillars spinning a shiny case around them and eating the mulberry leaves. Okay, so accidentally, one of them fell into her cup of hot tea, and the tangle of delicate threads spread out, separated out. Okay, so this led the discovery of silk. Okay, so how is silk made from silk thread? So this silk thread is material to make some products like silk saree, dresses, etc. Okay, so this silk is a fiber. Okay, so what is fiber? Any guess? Fibers are the basic material that are used to make clothes. Okay, some fibers are obtained from plants and animals, and some are made by humans. Okay, so the fabric are woven from yarns, and yarns are spun from fibers. Okay, so the fiber is converted to yarn. The yarn is woven or knitted to form fabric, and then the fabric is stitched to make clothes. Okay. So here first we study about wool. Okay, wool is also a animal fiber. Okay, wool is an animal fiber. Okay, wool is an animal fiber. Since ancient times, people living in cold places covered their bodies with animal fur. Okay, so with the time they realized that the fleece or the hair of many animals could be used to make wool. For what? To keep them warm. Okay, so the wool is present as a thick coat of hair on the body of certain animals to keep them warm. And the wool is obtained from the fleece of animals like sheep, goat, yak, camel, rabbit, and some other animals. So these animals have fine, soft underhair close to their skin. Okay, so these animals have fine, soft underhair close to their skin. And also the air gets trapped in the spaces between the hair and will not allow heat to escape. Okay, so these fine hair are used as fiber to make wool. Okay, as a poor conductor of heat, this shield the body from cold and keep it warm. Okay, so that is why we wear woolen clothes in winter. Okay, so next let's study about wool from sheep. Okay, many breeds of sheep are reared to provide varieties of wool. Okay, a sheep's hairy coat has two types of fibers. What are they? That is the coarse beard hair and the soft under hair. Okay, two types. What are they? Coarse beard hair and the soft under hair. Okay, it is found close to the skin. The soft underhair is used to make wool. Okay, the soft underhair is used to make wool. Scientists have developed certain breeds of sheep that only have the soft underhair. Okay, the wool of different varieties of sheep differs in fineness, shine, length, and strength. Okay, the wool of different varieties of sheep differs in fineness, shine, length, and strength. The finest wool is obtained from the merino sheep. Okay, this is merino sheep. Okay, a breed of sheep. It is originally from Spain. Okay, so the merino sheep is from Spain. The wool is called merino wool. Okay, from the merino sheep, the wool is prepared. That is called merino wool. It is very soft and light, so it is used to make the finest woolen clothes. Okay, from the merino sheep, the wool is taken and it is used to finest woolen clothes. Okay, so next let's study about the characteristics of wool. Okay, see the characteristics of wool fiber. That is, some woolen fibers are rough, while others are extremely soft. Okay, so the wool can be dyed easily, and the curls of the wool fiber create air pockets and give wool a spongy feel. Okay, when we touch that, it will be spongy, and the wool creates insulation for the wearer as it forms air pockets close to the skin. The body heat warms the air and it keeps the body of the wearer warm. Okay, and it is a elastic and it returns to its original position after being stretched. Okay, the wool fiber is will be elastic and it return to its original position after being stretched, and it absorbs good amount of moisture without getting a damp. Okay, and the woolen fiber can be shaped and tailored, making it a popular fabric for tailoring fine garments. Okay, and also the wool is resistant to fire. The wool is resistant to fire. That is the characters of the wool fiber. Okay, and uh, next let's study about the history of the wool. Okay, it is not given in our book, but you have to listen it that the wool was the first animal fiber to made into cloth, and the art of spinning wool yarn was developed in 4000 BC. Okay, the art of spinning wool yarn was developed in 4000 BC, and the major wool producers in the world are Australia and Argentina. Okay, the major wool producers in the world are Australia and Argentina. Okay, now next let's study about rearing of sheep. Okay, so the sheep and goat are important livestock. Okay, and are reared in many parts of India. The sheep are herbivores and eat grass and leaves. That you know that, right? Sheep are herbivores and eat grass and leaves. Sometimes they are fed with a mixture of pulses, corn, jowar, etc. Okay, sometimes they are fed with a mixture of pulses, corn, jowar, etc. And the sheep are reared for their milk, wool, and meat. Okay, for what we are rearing the sheep? For their milk, wool, and meat, and they are kept in pens and pasture land. Okay, so their rearing and breeding play an important role in the livelihood of small farmers. Okay, small farmers and landless laborers, like that. Okay, in India, sheep are mainly reared in the hilly regions of Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. Okay, you can see the second paragraph. In India, sheep are reared in hilly regions, and which are the regions? Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Okay. Around the world, sheep are reared in countries like the hard desert of regions of Australia, Asia and the Middle East to the cold regions of Northern Europe, Russia, Iceland and Southern South America. Okay. And some Indian breeds of sheep are there that you can see in the box. See, the first one is Lohi. Okay, from the Lohi, that is the name of the breed. From the Lohi, we can get the products carpets. Okay, the carpet is the good quality wool. Okay, the quality is good quality wool we used to get from the breed of Lohi. And the second one is Nalli. Nalli also the products made from the wool is carpets, and also that is good quality of the wool. Okay, and the third one is Bagarwal. Bagarwal we can get the woolen shawls. Okay, Bagarwal will get the woolen shawls. And Marwari, fourth one is Marwari. Marwari, it is used for carpets. It is used for carpets, that is a coarse quality wool. Okay, and the fifth one is Patanwadi. Fifth one is Patanwadi. Here the products we used to get it, koshery such as socks and stockings. Okay, here 5 breeds we studied, that is Lohi, Nalli, Bagarwal, Marwari and Patanwadi. Okay, from Lohi, Nalli and Marwari we used to get the carpet, and Bagarwal we will get woolen shawls, and the Patanwadi it is used to make the hosiery such as socks and stockings. Okay, and the region of Australia, Asia and the Middle East to the cold regions of Northern Europe, Russia, Iceland and Southern South America. Okay, that is the rearing of sheep. Okay, next let's study about wool from other animals. Okay, what is that? See here, we'll study about wool from other animals. Although the main source of wool is sheep wool is also obtained from animals of the camel family. Okay, goat and even rabbits. So here first study about camel wool. Okay, so the camel hair is obtained from the very soft and fine fur of the undercoat of the camel. Okay, camel hair is obtained from the very soft and fine fur of the undercoat of the camel. It is used to make coats, robes and sportswear. Okay, the camel wool is used to make coats, robes and sportswear. Okay, so the Bactrian camel, that means two-humped camel, are found in Siberia, Mongolia and China. It gives the best quality camel wool. You can see this picture, Bactrian camel. Okay, so that is two-humped camel. You can see that two hump on the back. It is found in Siberia, Mongolia and China. Okay, it gives the best quality camel wool. Okay, and the next one is the alpha and llama. Okay, both you can see this picture. It is found in South America. Okay, it is found in South America. Their undercoat hair is very soft and lustrous. Okay, their undercoat hair is very soft and lustrous, and the fibers are lightweight. You can see this picture also. And the next one is goat. Okay, now we studied about camel. Next one is goat. Here, the first one is Kashmir goat. What is that? Kashmir goat. You can see this picture. It is found in the high plateaus of Asia, like the mountains of Tibet, China and Kashmir. Okay, it is found in the high plateaus of Asia, like the mountains of Tibet, China and Kashmir. The wool is called the pashmina. The Kashmir goat wool is named as pashmina, which is very expensive and combed once a year from the bellies of the Kashmir goat. Okay, so it is getting from Kashmir goat. So this fiber is very soft and warm. Okay, And the third, next one is the Angura goat. You can see the last picture. That is Angura goat. Okay. It is originally belongs to the Angura region of Turkey. It is originally belongs to the Angura regions of Turkey. Okay. The fur of Angura goat provides a fiber called mohair. Okay. What is the name of the fiber? Mohair. So the mohair is similar to wool, but it has a smoother surface. Okay, the mohair is also similar to wool, but it is a smoother surface, and it is durable, light, and warm. Okay, which one? The mohair hair. It is used to make soft sweater and covering for furnitures. Okay, so the mohair hair mohair wool is used to make soft sweater and covering for furnitures. And the next one is Angura rabbit. What is that? Angura rabbit. You can see that this picture. So it is originally from Angura region of Turkey. It is originally from Angura region of Turkey. And here the wool is obtained from Angura rabbit is known as Angura wool. Okay, so the Angura rabbit wool is named as Angura wool. The Angura rabbit only provide small amount of wool, hence it is quite expensive. Okay, so it is quite expensive. It is used to make sweaters and clothes for infants. Okay, so from the Angura rabbit wool is used to make sweaters and clothes for infants. Okay, and the next one is yak wool, and the next one is yak wool. So the soft underhair of the yaks found in the Ladakh regions and Tibet, it used to make wool. Okay, so the yak wool, it is found in Ladakh regions and Tibet. Okay, so the wool can be mixed with the silk for easy spinning, and it is used to make sweater, blankets, and coats. Okay, so it is warmer than the sheep wool. Okay, it is warmer than the sheep wool. It is available in two colors, that is brown and grey. Okay, the yak wool is available in two colors, that is brown and grey. Okay, so here we studied about wool, characteristics of wool, history of wool, and rearing of sheep. Okay, next we studied about wool from other animals. Okay, for that we studied camel wool, the Bactrian camel, the alpha and llama, and the goat we studied, that is Kashmir goat and the Angura goat. Okay, next we studied rabbit, that is Angura rabbit, and then we study about yak wool. Okay, so students, you can read the lesson 3, page number 40 and 41. 40 and 41. Okay, so you can read that. Then the next one, let's study in the next class. Okay, so read everyone, understand the one more questions, then we will discuss in the next Zoom class. Okay, thank you.